Hi guys, welcome to my channel IPR Gyaan ki Pathshala.
Hi, Janie.
Hi Harry.
Whoa, what's this mini Terminator standing beside you?
This is a robot. My brother made it.
Wow, doesn't it talk?
No, but it's super smart. And you know what? Before making it, my brother applied for a patent.
Patent? What's that?
A patent is like an official certificate from the government that protects your invention. If you create a new machine, medicine, or technology, registering it as a patent makes sure no one can copy it without your permission.
So, if I try to copy your robot?
Then you'd have to pay money, and maybe even face legal trouble.
Oh, so IPR is only for machines?
Nope. If you write a story, compose a song, or make a painting, it's protected by copyright. And if you create a brand name or a logo, it's protected by a trademark.
So basically, IPR is like a bodyguard for our ideas?
Exactly. That's what IPR, intellectual property rights, is all about.
Wow, I'll also make a robot and call it Harry Bot.
First, get it patented, or someone else might sell Harry Bot before you even finish it.
It was nice talking to you, Janie. I learned something new today. Okay, see you later.
See you, Harry. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe this channel.